Happy first day of October, you all. Today is what day it is? Wednesday, October 1st, 2025. And I want to take this entire month to focus on Seamoss. Seamoss and the health benefits of having Seamoss in your diet on a daily basis. Hi there, my name is Peter Gay Barrett. I am a certified weight loss, nutrition, and fitness specialist. I specialize in teaching you how to use a healthy smoothie every day and its ingredients to prevent chronic ailments such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol, and obesity. Now, it's my birthday month. Tomorrow is my birthday, October 2nd. I will be 49 years old, and I have a smoothie most days of the week, right? I used to say every day of the week, but I don't have a smoothie every day, most days of the week. My blood pressure is in check. My blood cholesterol is in check. My blood glucose level is in check. And I attribute that to having a healthy smoothie most days of the week. Now, one of the main ingredients that I put in my smoothie is Seamoss. And I have made this homemade Seamoss that I wanted to share with you all. Let me grab it from the fridge. Now, this is homemade Seamoss, you all, and I use the raw Irish moss is what we call it in Jamaica, to make this homemade Seamoss. And the color you see is blueberries, you guys. So let me actually grab the fresh Seamoss. Now, this is the fresh Seamoss that I bought from my Whole Foods market. Later this week, I am going to make a second batch. There we go. Right there. The fresh Seamoss that I purchased from the Whole Foods market and Irish moss from Jamaica. And I turned it into this right here. Homemade Seamoss. Just drop some blueberries in it, and I'm ready to go with the flavorful, healthy Seamoss. So each day of this month, I will be doing a tablespoon of Seamoss. I will talk about the health benefits that one can get from having Seamoss. So let me tell you the first health benefit that I have noticed. Been doing it now straight for about a week and a half. My skin. If you have eczema, psoriasis, common breakouts, or you get breakouts quite common, or you get breakouts a lot. If you get breakouts a lot and you have psoriasis, you have eczema, any skin issues like that, Seamoss is absolutely amazing for that. I have been noticing it. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a black spot right here. And I had a pimple, and if you guys are like me, I keep picking at it and keep popping it and keep messing with it, and then it became whatever this black spot is. So we're going to see after 30 days into doing this if this is going to help to clear my skin up. Hopefully that will go away, you guys, but I have really noticed it's been helping to, kind of clear my skin up, you guys. So do your research. One of the health benefits of having this Seamoss is it helps with your skin, particularly for people with psoriasis and eczema and common skin breakout with, pimples and so forth. So each day I'll come on here. All I do is 1 spoonful of Seamoss, and then I wash it down with some water. Do you guys know some of the health benefits of Seamoss? Go ahead and drop it in the comments. But every day I will come on here for the next 31 days in October, and I will share with you 1 health benefits of having Seamoss. Until next time, you all, gotta rush out to work. Get your ass up and move. And maybe next week I will post a video showing you guys how I make this homemade Seamoss. So follow, like, share, and subscribe if you want to know the health benefits of having a Seamoss, and if you want to see how to make your own homemade Seamoss gel, you guys. Until next time, bye.